समुंदर सात समुंदर पार मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे आ गई, मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे आ गई।
किसके पीछे?
वो जानने के लिए you have to watch the full vlog to know मैं किसके पीछे जा रही हूँ. I'm going somewhere. But where? For that you have to watch the full vlog.
Look at this. The condition of my spec after getting out. That's the heat in Dubai right now. Show me yours. I don't know. He got lucky this time.
सात समुंदर पार होके मैं आ गई. So this is where I'm supposed to come. It's a Goan restaurant. So where we are entering, we'll taste some Goan cuisine today. So let's enter. See the variety of fishes they have. Goan food lovers in the Emirates, say hello to Gomantak Dubai. Gomantak is a Mumbai-based restaurant and which is famous for its seafood. With its authentic flavor and variety in menu, it has managed to captivate all the food lovers. The interior looks very simple, but it's quite spacious. We grabbed a seat right over here and we are busy ordering. There are a variety of fish thalis and I decided to order the surmai thali. Gomantak serve delights from the heart of Goa. Their thalis are the main attraction, starting from the crab thali to surmai rava fry thali to the starters like bharela bombil, kokum sarbat and soul curry. Their menu is outstanding. Here I start my Goan food journey with kokum sharbat. It's very popular in Goan and Konkan household. Kokum is the most cooling fruit which is rich in antioxidant and nutrients, a super coolant in summer, and it was very refreshing too. Here comes our first starter, bharela bombil. Bombil is the Bombay duck and bharela is stuffed bombil. This fish you can see, it has been spiraled by this bombil, the Bombay duck, and the stuffing is made with the tiny prawns. My son didn't like it because you can see the bones of the bombil are still there. So he said, Mama, I cannot eat it like this. So it was only eaten by me and my husband. I tried to make it more flavorful by adding the salad, and there was some powder kept beside, which was made with peanuts and green chili, and I tried it. It was okay, but I am not a very much bombil fan, so I won't say that it was very good. But the way they made it, the flavors were all bursting in my mouth. So with all the added things on top, I somehow liked it. So all the fish lovers, I'm sure you will love it because my husband tried it and he loved it so much. You can see the fish over here, how they have made the stuffing. This is how it looks when I open a part of it, and here I am cutting. This is only the bombil. I've taken out this so that I can show you. And this is the bombil which I'm going to take it in my mouth and see. It was very crispy and crunchy too. And here comes my much awaited thali. I ordered a surmai rava fry thali. You can order from the variety of surmai fishes, like how you want your surmai to be. You want it to be tawa fried, you want it to be rava fried, or you want it in a gravy. I ordered for surmai rava fry, which came along with a bhakri. There also you have a choice. You can have a bhakri or a vade or chapati. I chose bhakri. It came with soul curry, kismoor, a gravy, choli and some salad to go along with it. So here I am starting my food with this fish. You can see this is the surmai rava fry, which was crunchy from outside and soft from inside. I'm a big fish lover, you see. And this is the bhakri which I was talking about. This is kismoor. Kismoor is dried prawn. This is very famous in any Goan household. With the salad, I just loved the color of my plate. Then let me see, what can I have my bhakri with? Let's go for this choli. Choli, or you may say black-eyed bean, you may say like that in English. And this is the soul curry. Soul curry's main ingredient is this kokum and coconut milk. But I don't stop there. There was more starters to come, and this was prawn rava fry. This came just for my son, so I'm just tasting one. It was piping hot and it was very sweet in taste. The outside was crunchy and it was delicious too. But this is just the one I had because I have to concentrate on my thali, because that was my favorite one. Indian food is my favorite. It may be a North Indian food, South Indian, East Indian, West Indian, doesn't matter. Any kind of Indian food has always been my favorite. You know why? Because you can mix and match and you can eat. It's not necessary that you have to follow the tradition, that you have to first eat this, you have to mix this one with that. No. Just eat it how you like to eat. So I left my spoon because Indian food is, you'll not get that flavor if you eat it with spoon. If you use your 5 finger, then you will get the proper taste. While giving the voiceover, I'm having water in my mouth because I feel like eating that plate of thali once again. So what I did here is I mixed kismoor with the rice, with soul curry, with the gravy, and with a little bit of salad and a little bite of the fish. And this I'm going to eat. Oh, it was so good. The flavors was all bursting in my mouth. And first when I ordered the thali, I thought I'll be sharing it with my husband. But you won't believe, I finished everything by my own. Yeah, I gave a little piece of fish to my son and to Bishwarup to share. But eventually the full thali was finished by me. The rice, the bhakri. So what I want to tell you here is it's sufficient for one person to finish. For a foodie like me, like I like to eat, for somebody like me who is hungry, this one plate, what they are giving in one plate was sufficient. The price of this thali, it was 34 dirhams. It comes along with this fish and whatever you are seeing alongside. So I think that is fair enough for a person to to feed yourself. And after eating this, I was having no space. In fact, after this, Bishwarup ordered 1 or 2 more starters because he didn't order any thali for himself. It was only starter. So I couldn't eat any of those because I was so happy with my thali and I was so full. What here I was showing is that I got to see one small seed. I think that's the kokum seed, and I was wondering what seed was it. Then Bishwarup told me it's a kokum seed only. It maybe came inside somehow while they were straining it. So let's not concentrate on all that and let's continue our eating. Here I am mixing my rice with this orange gravy that they gave. I don't know what was the name. I didn't even ask them. In fact, in the menu also it was simply written like a gravy. The gravy was so tasty, my god. I don't know what they actually made it with. I'll go again next time and I'll ask. And like some food tagline is there, nobody can eat just one. The same thing happened with me here. Now Bishwarup told me to try my rice with soul curry. I was little skeptical about it. That do you eat it with? Do you have soul curry with rice? But yes, he was right. And later on I found out that soul curry is something you can have it with rice. You can mix and have it with rice. You can drink while eating your food, or you can have it after you have finished eating a heavy meal. It's like an appetizer. Here Bishwarup was asking me for kismoor. He wanted to taste it, but I finished everything on my own. So I gave him a little in the spoon to taste, because he's also a foodie just like me, and he said yeah, it was really good. I thought he will be very happy with the starter and he won't want anything from my plate, but he asked for it and so I gave it. As I already told you, there were more starter items which will be coming because Bishwarup ordered for it and I have no space. And this one is the bombil rava fry, which Bishwarup couldn't help from ordering, and this is why he is reviewing it, and he said that he really liked it. You can already see how it's tender from inside, and you can also see the outer coating. This is the soul curry which we ordered separately. Soul curry with bombil fry and all, it goes along really well. You can see the amount of salad they have given with it, and here you can see the space of the restaurant, and Kayan and Bishwarup, they both are enjoying. I wanted to show what Kayan was eating. For Kayan we ordered one pan roll prawns. This it was like a crepe which was stuffed with prawn and it was rolled into like this. And so I told Kayan to show it to you because I didn't have a bite of it. So here he wanted to experiment it with pickle, and the pickle was very tangy and look at his face, but he said he liked it. There is super awesome food at Gomantak. I was very much happy with the thali that I ordered. The amount was perfect, the taste was perfect, and all the starters were like bursting with different flavors. After many years we are tasting this kind of Goan food. When we were in Mumbai, we once went to which restaurant was that?
Goa Portuguese.
Goa Portuguese, there was one restaurant. We went there. Yeah. And after a long time I had this Goan cuisine and I loved it. I would really recommend you to come and visit it. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.